Hey, it's John-Marc, and thanks for checking out my latest drawing video on teaching you how to draw cartoons in 3 easy steps. I'm excited that you're here and checking out this little umbrella. What? It's not an umbrella? It's for a character for Super Mario Brothers? That's right. If you play a lot of Super Mario Brothers, you're going to know this character. And you got to make sure, if you haven't checked out my other videos, because I have a whole playlist with different content from video games and even how to create some of your own creativity in there. So you got to make sure you subscribe and check out all my other videos. Over 500 currently right now. Well, if you like this one, be ready to check out tomorrow's drawing video, because I'm going to have 2 more from Super Mario Bros. Ain't going to say, it's going to be a surprise, but you got to make sure you come back tomorrow and check them out. Anyways, from this point on, you know what I'm going to say. If you have your paper and a pencil, I think we're ready to begin this lesson. Here's step 1. And here's step 2. And here's the final 3rd step. Don't forget to stop at our website, that's jmg-studio.biz. If you enjoyed this video, I'm sure you're going to enjoy our latest drawing book that's now available on our website, How to Draw 50 Cute Cartoons. So make sure you stop at our website, that's jmg-studio.biz. And thanks a lot.